Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to sell Solana meme coins on Phantom Wallet. So for step number 1 is to check your meme coin balance in Phantom Wallet. Just open your Phantom Wallet app or browser extension and then navigate to the token list and ensure that your meme coin, like for example Samo or Solana, is visible. If not, then just click on Manage Token List and add the token manually using its contract address. Now for step number 2 is to choose a decentralized exchange or DEX. So on the Solana blockchain, popular DEX options include Radium, Orca, and Jupiter Aggregator. So for the best swap rates across multiple DEX. And for step number 3 is to connect your Phantom wallet to the DEX. So just go to the chosen DEX website, like for example, the Radium, we're going to be using it. And just click on Connect Wallet and select Phantom Wallet. Approve the connection request in your Phantom wallet. And once it's connected, locate the swap feature on the DEX. And just select your meme coin as the token to sell, and then just choose a stable coin like USDC or SOL as the token to receive. After doing that, just enter the amount of the meme coin that you want to sell, and then review the transaction details including fees. And then after you confirm the transaction details, just confirm the swap, and then you just have to approve the transaction in your Phantom wallet. And that's basically it. That's how you sell Solana meme coins on Phantom Wallet. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!